Introducing Save Club's new travel portal and why you're going to want to upgrade to it. Anyone who upgrades to this portal will get a 4-day, 3-night, all-inclusive vacation in the Dominican Republic, Mexico, or the Bahamas. All the food and drink included. In this travel portal, you can search for hotels, flights, activities, which are very interesting that our other portal doesn't have, that allows you to dive deep in activities across different cities and whatnot. Book rides, events and ticket sales. And one of the things it has, which is great, is what we call rentals. And it's all over the world that you can look at. And once you select a location, you can select the dates. For example, in the Bahamas, $405 for 7 days. And there's all kinds of deals like this. And you can book up to 7 nights. And this will fit up to 4 people. So there's all kinds of places like this. 7-day prices basically are like timeshares without paying the timeshare cost. And you can really save a lot of money. You may be thinking, why get this upgraded travel portal? So let's compare prices to the current portal that we have, and then you can decide. All right, just to compare the two travel portals, so you can see this hotel, Cooper Hotel, you can see the dates, etc. If I want to get a king room, it looks like a good deal, $137, but with taxes and everything, $168. So you can see if I book out here, $167 actually. It's almost $168, okay? And then if I go into the other travel portal, you might say, well, why do you upgrade? Well, this one, rate including taxes and fees for the same king room, $143.92. And again, when we go back here, again, what was that? $143.92 to $167.61. All right, here's our other travel portal. I'm in Vancouver, British Columbia, the Opus Hotel, and they have a standard queen bed. If I look, $371 is the total, including taxes and fees. And our new portal for a queen room, we can get $323. That's about a $40-some difference with the same hotel, same room. Just this hotel right here pays your entire year membership for the upgraded new travel portal, and it allows you to have the best travel deals that no one's touching. No other business can get these deals like this. Here's the Castillo Paris, and if I scroll down and look, they only have the Superior room for $936 for a night. And then we come over here and look at this other travel portal. They have a bunch of other rooms too that are cheaper. So you're also getting more options by having multiple travel sites that may not be available at one but are available at another. And then if we look at that Superior room, $832 includes tax and everything. So significantly cheaper from $832. The other one was $936 to $832. So that's about $100 difference in that room. So just another example why having two travel portals are great, and for only $29.97 for an entire year. And you'll find lots of deals where you'll save a lot more than that just by having the access to an additional travel portal. Here's another example. Again, we love this travel portal of ours. It saves a lot of money. But here's what we call the Sea Palace in St. Martin. Gorgeous. I've been to St. Martin, like it a lot. And you can see for a studio, they want $1,024 a week, a 1-bedroom, $1,192, another 1-bedroom, $1,340. But we have resort weeks in our other section here. It's called Resort Weeks, and you look up St. Martin Sea Palace right here, and let's look and see if we can make sure the dates are the same. But look, $521 a week, $579, and this one is the bigger hotel room because it sleeps 6 people, $579 a week. So if you go back and you compare that to this price, it's $1,340 for the week. But I don't think the dates are exactly right, so let's make sure we have the exact dates in there. All right, we got the exact dates in there, and even with the exact dates, if you look at the big room, $1,321 for 7 nights, compared to $579. So let's just look at what that is on the savings here. So 1321 minus 579. That's a difference of $742 on just this trip, and the places are gorgeous. Imagine going to this place and looking at this place in St. Martin. Look at that, you know. And this is what the bigger room looks like as well. You can actually go see what the bigger rooms look like. And so there you have it. That's why you need to upgrade to have both travel portals, because even though this one's great and you can save great money in it compared to the main travel sites that are out there, you can save additional money by having the extra travel portal. All right, here's another tremendous deal here. So if you look at hotels.com, Orbis price $410 a night, Priceline $344. Of course, our travel portal saves quite a bit of money, $596 total. But if you come over to the new travel portal, you will see the same room, taxes and everything is only $330. This is like over $200 in saving. For the exact same dates, the exact same rooms, etc. And that's a real good savings. So would you spend under $30 when you have additional savings like that? And it's great that we have multiple travel sites that you can just go in and compare and make sure you save the maximum amount of money. Guaranteed this will pay off way more than your membership. Another really cool thing that this portal has is the way to do tours. And once it loads up, they have everything, including flights, sometimes meals, everything included in a tour. And this is really cool that you could look at these destinations and book entire tours. I find this very interesting and very cool. It talks about the tour, where you go, the flights, everything that's included, etc., etc. So that's also included in this travel portal, and worth an upgrade for sure.